That's it right there. Finally the right one.
Finally.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. My boy Vic sneaked up on me right now while I was going inside. Here he is now. You guys remember him from the last vlog where we put a fat ass intake on his car, but now he actually got the right one. So we're gonna install that in today. But I'm also gonna be detailing some of the chrome on the truck and cleaning out the intake. So that's what we're doing today. Stock?
Yeah.
If you guys didn't check out the other video, go check it out. I think the battery's dead. Yeah, it's the battery.
Why did you start as soon as I pulled it off?
Alright, while he works on that, I'm gonna go check out the intake on my truck. I forgot what I need. So it sucks out the batteries down. Might need a little jump, even though I might not start it. Look at that. That thing's disgusting. We're gonna have that looking differently. Okay. I think that's enough. I should have got some like rubber cleaner for this shit. Oh, I know, that shit was badass.
I
He's
can't
cool,
believe
bro.
he lives in Chino, right? Like,
I don't know where he lives, but he has the shop right there in Ontario.
I know, I'm so happy for you.
That's just crazy.
I was like,
my boy Gordo Film's working for him and
I
shit.
know, I
That's
followed
just
that fool. I think I'm gonna get a paint correction all done from him.
Oh,
He's
from
doing
G-Touch?
Yeah, he's doing
That's
it for
his cousin.
Oh, he's doing it for 200. I was like, yeah, it's worth it.
Yeah. While I'm taking off my intake, watch Vic struggle right here. Where are you from?
What up, y'all? My name's Vic. I'm from New York, Harlem, Southside. Moved out here, enjoying life.
Tell him how you know me, bro.
Met Christian through work, actually, at Amazon. And we just became best of buddies after that when I told him I have a Jenny and I wanted to race him. And yeah, after that, it just became a friendship and just working on cars every day, basically. Bro, this seal is so stuck. Huh? This shit won't pop out. Oh, there you go.
Damn, look how blue it is in there. And now here's all black and shit.
The kid that I bought it from was selling it for 100.
Uh-huh.
But I told him, I was like, nah, 90. He's like, okay, fine. And I bailed on that fool 3 times.
Yeah? What the fuck?
Some fucking weird ass. He was a weird kid, dude. He was like following.
Bro, he probably watches me, bro. He's watching right now.
Oh, to you in the yellow 3.8. You're weird.
Alright, guys, so it looks like it's starting to drizzle a little bit, but it's not even cold out here. So I'm gonna just look at that clean ass throttle body. Remember when I cleaned it? If you guys didn't watch the video of me cleaning it, I'll leave it down in the description. Just press something up here. It'll be there. Go check it out. I wish I could detail my whole motor. Drop the hood a little bit. This is where the suction hose went in?
Yeah. That shit's like stuck in there out.
Bro, why is there oil in here?
I told you. It's in that oil catch can. Here's a...
Alright guys, so I was gonna detail all the chrome from the truck and the tips and all that, but it's raining, and it's been raining for like the past 5 days. I love it, but I can't vlog for you guys out here. Just like this, like I'm inside the garage. There's no rain. I could detail this easily, and this, but that sucks. I want to be out there too, you know. Like him, look, he's having fun out there. I want to have fun out there. No, I'm just kidding. We're good though. But I'm gonna start detailing this. What I got. I went to AutoZone and shit. Yes, AutoZone. I just got any fucking metal polish cream. There was a certain turtle wax one that I was looking for, but I couldn't find it. They didn't have it there. I think they discontinued it or some shit. Also got some microfiber cloths. They're like $2 and shit, and then the pads. I also got some interior cleaner so I could clean the intake. Nah, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. But that's it. That's it right there. That's all you really need. Just that. With this shit, all you do is rub some on, leave it on for a little bit, and then wipe it off. I don't know how to detail, so whatever I'm doing, don't try to copy me. I mean, you could copy me if you want, but I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not telling you that I'm doing it the right way. But yeah, this is just for entertainment purposes and for you guys to enjoy what I'm doing. That's it. Let me go get the intake cleaner. Clean this shit out. Okay, first off, let's start with the filter, because it is pretty much like the longer process part. I bought this shit when I bought my intake, my K&N stock air filter for the truck a long ass time ago. So I'm gonna use this. You just put it everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't know if you guys know anything about cleaning filters, but you gotta clean from the inside outward, because from the outside it sucks in all the dirt and it gets stuck on the filter. So you put it out here, spray all that shit, make sure it's nice and soaked, and then you just let it chill for a bit, and then we're gonna spray it with water from the inside out. And then if you guys happen to have like an air hose or some shit like that, I have one at work, so I'll probably spray it down at work. Just spray it from the inside out so it can blow everything off. That's about it for the filter. Put that aside somewhere where it can dry and chill for a bit. And then this is the air filter oil. Once the oil is nice and clean and dry, spray just a little bit. Now for the little bit harder part. Just kidding, it's not that hard. So I'm gonna take it all off.
Alright, let me find.
So what's the update on your intake, bro?
There's another bust. No bueno. No bueno at all.
What happened?
Piping was too long. Kind of sad, you know. I expected that Craigslist ad guy to tell me the truth, but you know.
He lied to you, bro?
Yeah. Damn.
It's probably try an 8.
That should be right. I'm a not too big.
Try a 7. Oh no, wait. I gave you a 9, bro. This is an 8. I was right. Let's get this off. There we go.
Which side? This side.
Yeah, I'll probably clean the rubbers next time. For now, I think I'm gonna wipe it off with a cloth. It's already looking better. This shit's broke. Homemade, bro. You're not an engineer.
And one has a G35.
So I've never used this cream before. So whatever I'm doing, if I'm doing it wrong, don't tell me, alright? Damn, look, looks like yogurt. Oh, looks good, bro. Yeah, I don't know how to do this, guys. So just bear with me. Pretty sure you're not supposed to get this on your skin. But oh well. Damn! This looks dumb as fuck. I should have worn some gloves. Like for sure. What do you guys think? You guys think if I'm dumb, tell me I'm dumb. Pretty sure I'm doing this the wrong way. So like I said, guys, don't do what I do. I don't know how to detail. I'm just trying to wing it, you know. I ain't even got an umbrella either. Alright, it's been a while. Been struggling with the Jenny and shit. Try to brainstorm what's going on. Now I'm gonna just wipe it off, see if it did anything. Damn, it's ugly as fuck still. Look, it's like this. There's like some shit stained right here from whoever tried to detail it last. My last detailer. Does look a little bit shinier though, for sure. Alright guys, that was kind of a fail. Either I don't know how to do it or that's just really stained on there. Oh look, I missed a piece. But yeah, I'm gonna stop the video here unless we keep going at it with this car. Once the rain stops a little bit. And I'll be back once there's no rain, so I could do the exhaust tips and the front grille and bumper, maybe even the back bumper. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So stressed out, bro.
Bye. Dude, the rain isn't gonna end in.
I wonder how this lighting is. But alright guys, it looks like I am ending the video right here. Sorry I didn't get to the detailing of all the chrome on the truck and everything, but I'll be ready because I'm gonna be making a video for that next, right after this one, because the truck has got to look clean, bro, even though it's just sitting there. But I will be co-hosting a meet that's called Welcome to the IE, Saturday the 26th. I'm not sure where, but if you guys follow me on Instagram at chubs.63, chubs.63. I'll be posting the flyer probably tonight or tomorrow or whenever you guys watching it. It should probably be posted up already of where the meet's located and everything. Expecting about 100 trucks. We're gonna be doing like about it's gonna be like a photo shoot, video shoot with Truck and Crate. So yeah, we're expecting like 100 trucks and a bunch of truck clubs, car clubs, and everything. So come on down, follow me on Instagram to stay updated, and come and meet me. I'll be happy to meet any of you guys that watch me and everything. I'll also be having business cards by then, so stay tuned. I'll make a video of that too, because I think they should be here on the 24th. I'm excited. But yeah, the video is gonna end here. Hope you guys like the cleaning of the intake and the polishing and all that. It looks better than how it was, but that's the best I could do with just my hands, you know. But yeah guys, I'm ending the video right here. It's been raining a lot, so I can't really do the detailing of the rest of the truck. Sorry, I might have gotten dark a little bit. I'm a little sweaty. I was cooking right now with my girl. Watch, let's go check it out. I think my tilapia's burnt. What are you making, babe?
Tilapia, but is it burnt?
I know, I think it is. Damn.
Do we mix
Huh?
do we mix in the potatoes with the veggies?
Yeah, throw the potatoes in there. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys out. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out everybody. TCB.